This is the A level application, and this stands for accelerometer level. So we have two modes we can go into. If we rotate the device down like that, we see we have a quote-unquote air bubble, and then a target, and we'll know that that is center. And then whenever we turn this way, or even this way, we can find out what is level. We have the information tab, which will let us go between degrees and meridians. That is the A level application.